Hello friends, in this video I will discuss some of the new features that have been added in the Google Meet. These features are most awaited as we were facing many problems like we were not having the option to block the chat box of students. We were not having the option to stop others from sharing their screen when the meet is going on. Also, we were not having the option to block the entry. Like the people in our organization could enter our meet directly and we were not having the option to stop them or to make them like they should ask us before entering our meet. So these options are available now. This lock symbol, white lock symbol you can see here, you can get in your meet now. And when you click here, you will get variety of the options. By default, these are on. So first is the quick access. When we make it off, then the people whom we have not invited will not be able to join our meet directly, even if they belong to our organization. We have invited some people by using their email, they can enter the meet directly, but the other, even if they belong to our email, even if they are using the nickname, will not be able to enter directly. They have to ask, and we have the option, we have the control to whether to allow them or not to allow them. So this feature is very important. Other is the share their screen. This feature uh, is very useful as sometimes it becomes very problematic when a student starts sharing their screen unknowingly. So what can we do? We can make it off, and when we make it off, the students will not be able to share their screen, or anyone in the meet will not be able to share their screen except the host who is organizing the meeting. Other option is the send chat messages. This option is very useful as if we make it off, then the people in our meet will not be able to write anything in the chat box. Sometimes some unnecessary talks students write in the chat box, so we can stop it by using this option. At any point of time, if we want to make them on, if we want any student to write something or any student to share the screen or any other person in our meet to use these two features, we can make it on, and after that we can make it off again. So these features are available throughout the meet. We can use them as per our requirement, and these features are available with the host. Host can always send the message, host can share the screen, but if we make them off, then the other people in the meet will not be able to share the screen or send the chat messages. You can see all these options here to view all host settings, and you can see host control is added now along with audio and video, and all the features are available here, but these features are available with the host only, means the person who is organizing the meet. So these features are very useful, and hope we all will be benefited by using these features, and hope you would like my video. Thanks for watching.